Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. I'm so excited because it seems like my community is growing. I'm getting a lot of emails. People are checking out everything that we are doing. A lot of more questions are coming in about the boot camp and about recipes and all that stuff. So this is good. This is good. Keep sharing. Keep clicking subscribe. Make sure that you become part of this health journey. This is PJ, your fitness concierge, and he's the one that does everything fitness. He's the guru of all things. I am Nina, your host.
I was pulling things together.
It is super, super fun. He keeps us in a very tight space sometimes, but working really intensely. So what's your plan for today?
A little bit of everything. I brought the med balls, brought all the toys. Gonna keep them moving. That is the goal.
Yeah.
It's nice out, so it's not humid. It's no sun. Well, the sun's there, but it's gonna be a good day. So I'm gonna keep them moving, and
Yeah, I mean, like it's 60-something degrees, 63 degrees. It is humid. It's like 98% humidity. You have to feel the wetness in the air. But other than that, it's a beautiful day, and we are gonna get our asses kicked. So yay! See you when we get back.
Hi. got turf turds in your hair.
What's the name of this? Oh, Memoirs of Hey, welcome to Memoirs of a Fat Girl. Going from P.H.A.T to D.I.E. in real time. Yo! Yo! He killed us today, but it was good. Like, I can't believe I did it. And I ran. First time I ran.
She did, like.
I ran. Whoosh. I had to because poor people were dying about waiting on me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click the like and share the video. Also go on there and watch some recipes we got going on. Really great recipes, nice and healthy. And don't forget to pick up your journal because you need to do your journaling. I'm out of breath. But this is all fat leaving me, so it's all good. Anyway, this is PJ, your fitness coach. She me, and you killed us. If you haven't come out yet, please come out. They call him Asesino for a reason. Yeah. But we know what, we did it. And we're at all levels, we're all genders, all ages. There was even someone out here too who was 76 years old.
Absolutely.
And she did her thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. PJ, thank you for killing us today.
Absolutely, you guys did really well. Really well with the pace. Rest time was very limited.
Yeah.
And the volume, we brought it up another notch.
All right, guys, so if you guys want to join, don't forget to email us at hello@memoirsoffatgirl.live. I will make sure to link Asesino's information below so that you can contact him if you want to be trained as well. He does personal training, he does classes, he does coaching, he does all kinds of things. So reach out to him because it will be worth it for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Nina Perez, PJ, until next time.
Fat out.